Meet Emma, a successful lawyer who knows that a great day starts with a great routine. Here's how she dominates her day. 6 a.m. wake-up call. Emma begins with a gentle wake-up, 15 minutes of meditation, and a quick workout to get her blood pumping. 6:30 a.m. power breakfast. A nutritious breakfast fuels her mind and body for the challenges ahead. She enjoys scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, and a refreshing glass of orange juice. 7 a.m. plan of action. Emma reviews her schedule and prioritizes her tasks. She makes a to-do list, focusing on the most critical cases and deadlines. 8 a.m. office time. At the office, Emma dives into her work, tackling complex legal briefs and arguments. She takes short breaks to stay energized and focused. 12 p.m. lunch break. A balanced lunch and a short walk help Emma recharge. She often meets with clients or colleagues to discuss ongoing cases. 1 p.m. research and preparation. Emma dedicates time to researching and preparing for upcoming trials and meetings. She stays updated on the latest legal developments and strategies. 5 p.m. wrap-up. As the day winds down, Emma reviews her progress, updates her to-do list, and prepares for the next day's challenges. 6 p.m. unwind and relax. Emma unwinds with a good book, a yoga session, or a relaxing bath. She knows that self-care is essential for her well-being and success. 9 p.m. reflection and gratitude. Before bed, Emma reflects on her accomplishments and expresses gratitude for the opportunities she has. She sets intentions for the next day and drifts off to sleep, ready to conquer another day. With this routine, Emma stays on top of her game, delivering winning arguments and making a positive impact in her community.